Hello everyone, back with another video. Today I'm doing a tutorial how to upload multiple photos at one time and also how to resize them. So here on the form, when you're making a post, you click on this add an image icon and then you go on your computer wherever your photos are located, and there's no limit to my knowledge how many you can upload at once. I've uploaded up to 20 photos. Most web pages have a limit like 4 or 5 per post, so I thought that was pretty cool. But you click on the image that you want to upload, and then on your keypad hold down the control key and select whatever pictures you want to add. So I'll add these fender pictures that I restored, the inner fender. Let's see, what else should I add? I think I'll add this rusty horn that I restored. There we go. Let's see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 pictures. So as you can see, they're uploading. And I should also add, you can rearrange the photo. So if you click on it, you can drag it and you can move it. See, I just moved it up. Now let's say you want to resize it. So you go to the side here and you hold down the left mouse button and you drag it, and that's gonna shrink the size. And you can also align it to the left, you can align it to the center, align to the right. So it's pretty cool. You got a lot of options. Or you can manually click here, small fit. You can click full width or original size. And let's say there's a picture you don't like. You just click on it and hit the delete key on your keyboard. So I'm just gonna delete a bunch here. It's pretty simple. Like I said, you can upload at least 20. I haven't tested beyond that, but usually you wouldn't need to upload that many at one time unless you were showing pictures of a bike you restored and you had tons of photos and you didn't want to make a post over and over and over. You can just photo dump a bunch at the same time. So if you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to comment and I will do my best to answer your question. Thanks for watching.